Welcome back to Math's Easy, step by step. In this part 52 video, I'm going to title it 52B. I'm going to finish answering the question, example 1, markups in finding the tax, right? And so I don't like to make these videos too long, and so I had to end that last video abruptly. So this is going to be part B, I guess, video 52B. Thank you for joining me. So we found that $1,018.35 was the markup. That's the tax, right? And if it's a markup, what do you do? Well, in this step 2, we're going to add the markup, which is the tax, to the discounted price that we use to find the tax to get the total cost after taxes are added to that discounted price. Let's go ahead and take a look, see what that looks like. All right, so you can see here we have the discounted cost of the vehicle, $13,140, and we're going to add the tax, right? Because that's a markup. You add the markups, you subtract the markdowns or the discounts. So this is a markup, it's tax. I'm going to add it, $1,018.35. That's my tax. All right, so you can see here, there is no decimal after the zeros place in that value, $13,140, the discounted cost. It's invisible, right? But it's there. There's a decimal after that 0, which means there's a 0, 0 in those places. So what's 5 plus 0? 5. What's 3 plus 0? 3, right? And I'm just going to bring down the decimal to keep it lined up. What's 0 plus 8? 8. What's 4 plus 1? 5. What's 1 plus 0? 1. What's 3 plus 1? It's 4. And then 1 plus, there's a placeholder here. There's really a 0. It's invisible. What's 1 plus 0? It's 1. So the cost of that vehicle, given the 60% discount from the original price, and the tax of $1,018.35, you're walking out of there paying $14,158.35. So again, what does that $14,158.35 represent? This is the total cost after you've added the tax. So hopefully this is making things a little easier for you. Listen, this is real world stuff. You'll be doing this stuff all of your life. Don't get taken advantage of. Learn how to do this stuff. I got a few more examples. I got an interest example. I also have a stop and pause. I think I created 1 or 2 of those stop and pause problems for you to practice on your own. Hey, math is easy. Take it step by step. I appreciate your time. Thank you for joining me. If I have helped you, please help me to help others by liking, following, sharing, and subscribing.